Hey folks, there's a lot of misinformation out there about thinning edges. If you have black hair, you might have some thinning edges, and a lot of people say it's genetics, and it's not actually genetics. It's caused because of the harsh hairstyles you use that pull at the root. But in all cases, it is not genetic, and also you're not without hope. My point is, you can grow hair even if you think that the hair follicles are not there. It's not true. The body has stem cells everywhere. So you can grow your hair back, okay? But to grow it back, you need to take steps that are different than what you're doing right now. And the first focus is to regenerate tissue. And the way to regenerate tissue is to change your diet from a meat eating, starch eating, animal eating, processed food diet to one of fruits and vegetables, raw fruits and vegetables. But in fact, if you want to have the best results, it should be only raw fruits. You're gonna do this for weeks on end, and you can take certain herbs which can also accentuate or help you grow hair faster in that area. And if you do so, your hair will regenerate and your hair will grow. Do not take my word for it. Just try it and see. You just have to be patient though. And the other thing you can do though is also use a good hair oil, good hair growth oil that has the best hair growth plants in it can help as well, like plants like hibiscus, like Eclipta alba. They go a long way to stimulate hair growth. They also will prolong the hair growth cycle, which means the hair can grow for a longer period of time. All these will add to one another, and you see your hair will begin to grow. So if you have thinning edges, do not give hope. Do not feel sad. There is a chance for you to get it back. One, change your diet. Go to fruits only. Two, use a good hair product like Grow Hair Oil. Be consistent with its use. Use it once a week at a minimum, 2 3 times better, and don't use any tight hairstyles, and allow your hair to grow. You watch and see how your hair, how your body is so marvelous, and how it's so powerful that it can regenerate cells. Have faith in nature, have faith in yourself, have faith in your body. It can take care of itself. Just give it the right tools. So I hope this helped you.